significant, prominent, profound English philosopher, polymath, and naturalist Herbert Spencer said, "Science is organized knowledge," meaning science actually can be very easily considered to be, and it has also always been, a knowledge of organization and unity and unification and harmony in one way or another, even though it sometimes seems to have its own contradictions and particulars and objectives. And it has also always been considered by some people in the world to be very particular and limited and finite in what it does and what it says and what it is ultimately able to achieve and obtain through its developments and applications in the world. But the thing is, science still remains relevant, important, fundamental, necessary, and unavoidable, not only to understanding external phenomena and natural occurrences and other kinds of appearances, but also to basically comprehending and deciphering and understanding the human phenomena and human nature, psychology, mental health, as well as the inside of the human body as well, that is biology, and that also belongs to science as a whole in one way or another. So for basically understanding a lot of things or everything in the world, in nature, phenomena, and molecular level medicine and the human body, mind, psychology, we need science in one way or another. Without science, the world is going to fade into darkness and slide into depression and ignorance and melancholia, distress, anxiety, etc. So science has always been one of the greatest inventions and imperative creations and fundamental requirements of and by humanity in one way or another. And science basically organizes, unifies, and harmonizes knowledge, which is again particular and scattered in one way or another. So knowledge is actually limited and finite and scattered, but science is not always scattered, limited, or finite. Science is very much infinite in terms of what it is able to do and achieve with its powers, and it has been able to achieve remarkable things and almost impossible tasks in the world, in the field of space and astronomy, and also in the world in which we live. Science has pushed all the boundaries and hurdles and hardships and made it possible for us to experience things that we never even imagined, that we thought was impossible, but science made it possible, and we also made it possible because of our knowledge, determination, research, and